We've seen this before. Just over a year ago, Governor DeSantis suspended Hillsborough County State Attorney Andrew Warren. Well, today he suspended the state attorney in Orlando, who oversees Orange and Osceola counties.
Florida 24 reporter Sophia Hernandez has the breakdown of Governor DeSantis' claims and what suspended state attorney Monique Worrell is saying about it.
Wednesday morning, the news broke out.
Accordingly, I am today announcing the suspension of State Attorney Monique Worrell from the 9th Judicial Circuit, effective immediately.
Governor Ron DeSantis, flanked by other state and local leaders, making it clear Worrell out of office is a non-negotiable.
Prosecutors do have a certain amount of discretion about which cases to bring and which not. But what this state attorney has done is abuse that discretion and has effectively nullified certain laws in the state of Florida. That breaches her duties that she owes to the people of Florida under our state constitution and provides the basis for the suspension.
In a 40-page executive order, the governor pointed out 6 major areas of concern, including the office avoiding minimum mandatory sentences for gun crimes and drug trafficking offenses, and allowing juvenile offenders to avoid serious charges and incarceration altogether. Shortly after the announcement, Worrell defended herself.
We are making sure that when cases are brought, that they are brought within the context of the law. So I'm not going to feed into those political narratives because we know that the governor has been searching for a reason.
Worrell has been under the spotlight various times throughout the last year, most recently last week when 2 Orlando police officers were shot. The suspect was killed Saturday after a SWAT team spent hours in a barricade around an Orlando hotel. The 28-year-old man, a lengthy criminal history, arrested multiple times, but was out on bail in June. The blame was placed on Worrell. She addressed concerns Monday and again on Wednesday, saying she believes her unconventional and different approach to justice is being used as a smokescreen for DeSantis' presidential campaign.
We all know that this is not about policy or anything that I've actually done. The governor and his cronies have been searching for a reason for my suspension for well over a year now.
That's right.
And I am not aware of any actual articulable reason that has been given.
The news spread to state representatives and those in the 9th Circuit via email and in the courtroom. Some left outraged.
It's incredibly disgusting. It's a slap in the face to local control and democracy. She is a duly elected official that the voters support. And for DeSantis to do this is just another example of his extreme political agenda and his lack of support for our democratic values.
On Wednesday, Worrell said that she will be filing a lawsuit. Her legal team is currently briefing on an administrative order to see what happens next. Now, the Senate president says that they will hold off on investigating DeSantis' executive order until Worrell has explored all legal options. Now, the Senate has the final say in whether or not Worrell will stay in or out of office. Now, she did say and made it clear that she will be running for re-election for state attorney's office. Sophia Hernandez, Florida 24 Network.